Today, our interview question is why fuse is not used in the distribution board DB? Hmm? How the fuse is working when a current is exceeding the rating of a fuse, then a metal wire inside this fuse would be blown away, and at that time the current passage would be blocked, would be cut off. That is the normal working of a fuse. In the modern DBs, we could see only the miniature circuit breakers (MCB) rather than this fuse. There are many reasons behind this. The first important thing is the reset, the easy resetting of MCB rather than the fuse. It means that suppose the current exceeds more than the rating of the fuse, and for the resetting we need to replace the fuse. Then what about the MCB? MCB, we only need to reset a button above the MCB, a toggle switch. That means the resetting is very easy in MCB rather than this fuse. The second thing is protection, the better protection. When we use MCB in our DB, it would trip more precisely when there is an overload or short circuit in our circuit. But the fuse could not trip precisely. And the third point is the safety concern. Suppose your fuse is blown away, then you need to replace this one. Okay, if a person try to replace this and if he is not very keen about how to replace this fuse, then he would normally exposed to the metallic part of this fuse. At that time, there would be a chance that this person would get nasty electrical shock. What about the MCB? We need to operate that toggle switch, and this MCB's metallic parts are completely inside the carrier. I mean, it is completely enclosed, so no any person would exposed to metallic parts of the MCB. And the next point is the coordination. If we use MCB in our DB, we would get a better selective coordination. What is the meaning of this one? Suppose you have a DB like this, it is the income out, and these are the outgoing MCBs. I am talking about the MCBs. If your DB has MCBs, then what will happen? Suppose this outgoing MCB has some short circuit, something like that, short circuit or overload, whatever. Then what will happen? This specific MCB would be tripped off, okay, and no other MCB would not be tripped. That means all other MCB would be working, only this would be cut off. Okay, what about the fuse? If you use instead of this MCB in this DB, you could not be able to make a selective coordination. Suppose if these are fuses, these are incomer fuse and these are outgoing fuses, and suppose if any short circuit or overload would happen in this specific circuit, then maybe there is a chance to trip this incomer fuse. Then what will happen? All the outgoing fuses will be in non-operative condition. That means all your system will be in an off position. It is not good. That means here when you use a fuse, then you will face a long downtime. The next thing about the indication. Suppose you are using MCB in DB, then if the MCB is stripped off, then if you open the DB, you can easily see it is stripped or not by looking at the toggle switch. If the toggle switch is down, then you can say that, then you can understand that your MCB is stripped and you can restore that power. But in the fuse, you cannot understand it is blown away or not. Next, about the cost of the system. If you use the MCB, obviously the system cost is higher than if you use the fuse. But the thing is, if you use the MCB, you have many advantages. The initial cost is high, but the maintenance is less. but the fuses, the initial cost is very low, but the maintenance is very hard. You will face more downtime. That is why in our modern DBs we are using only MCBs instead of this fuse. I hope you got much knowledge about this topic. If you want to have more videos like this, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.